Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make healthy granola balls with just 4 ingredients. This recipe does not require baking. It's very simple and straightforward. If you're new here, this is Yuji's Kitchen and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also don't forget to hit the like button. So let's get into the cooking process. For this recipe, you'll be needing some oats, honey, peanuts, and coconut oil. So you can choose to add almond nuts, you can add cashew nuts, you can add any other nuts of your choice. So I'm going to start by crushing my peanuts. I'm going to put my peanuts into a plastic bag and I'm going to use a rolling pin to crush it. If you're using any other nuts, you can crush them this way. I like to use peanuts for this recipe because it reminds me of a particular snack we usually eat as a kid back then. It's called Big Bites. So peanuts gives it that Big Bite taste and it tastes so good. Be careful not to crush this completely. We're just going to break it to pieces. So this is what your crushed peanut should look like. In a pan, add in your coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the healthiest oil used in cooking. It contains lots of nutrients that are beneficial to the body. That's why I chose it for this particular recipe. Now add in your oats and stir. So we're going to stir this continuously till it's slightly brown. By doing this, we are toasting the oats. Toasting the oats will help the oats to be crispy, and this crispiness is very important when making granola balls or granola. It gives that crunchy texture when you bite into it. Now my oats has been toasted, so I'm going to pour this into a plate and leave it to cool. So this is what the color of your toasted oats should look like. Now in a pan, add your coconut oil. Add in your honey. Stir till well combined with the oil. So we're going to leave this to heat for about 30 seconds. This caramelization process will help your granola stick together. Be careful not to overheat your honey. Now pour in your toasted oats and stir properly to combine. Add in your crushed peanuts and stir to combine. So we're going to stir this continuously so it doesn't burn. So we're going to cook this till it's golden brown and you'll begin to see that the oats are clustering together. So at that point, take out your oats from the stove. Now pour your granola into a plate and spread it out. I'm just going to let this cool down a bit. Now my granola is cold, I'm going to take some of it and roll it into a ball with my palm. So I'm just trying as much as possible to roll this into a perfect ball shape. It's important for you to know that for your granola to stick properly together, you need enough honey. Peradventure you didn't use enough honey and it isn't really sticking well together, just try as much as possible to stick the whole thing together with your hands and put the granola balls into the fridge. The fridge would help the granola balls to be firm. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.